Welcome back to the channel. I am looking for either video or written testimonials as to how helpful our YouTube channel has been or Action Steps has been for the growth of your business, your screen printing journey, and helping you learn how to screen print. What I'm working on is adding those testimonials to our website, to future courses that I am in the middle of creating, such as like a masterclass screen printing course, as well as our action steps, and continuing to develop that. So if you're up for it and you're not too camera shy, I would love to get it can be on your cell phone, just a quick video testimonial would be preferred. However, a written testimonial with a picture of you or perhaps your shop logo, the name of your shop would be greatly appreciated. And we just need to be able to use these videos in order to reach a broader audience and to continue to help people learn how to screen print and achieve similar, if not greater success than we have had here at Mikey Designs and Silkscreen. And it will also help continue to support the channel and us as a small business, and really just kind of kick things into overdrive as far as teaching people how to screen print, whether that's with videos, in person, consultations, just really helping the screen print community learn how to screen print and take it from something that's a side hustle to a full-time income. So anything you can do to help out would be greatly appreciated. You can email me those testimonials to matt@mikeydesigns.com. You can leave your written testimonial down in the comments, and we just need permission to share those videos and testimonials. It would be greatly appreciated, and we look forward to hearing from you guys. And we'll see you in the next video.